Hello all, welcome to part 10 of API testing training series. In this session, I am going to explain the difference between REST API, RESTful API, RESTful Web Services. So let's get started. There are different terms, right? REST API, RESTful API, and RESTful Web Services. These are the four terms. And what is the difference between each and every term here? I'm going to explain as part of this session. So it's a one of the very interesting topic, guys. Okay, a lot of the interviews, right? They may be asking you like, what is the difference between REST and REST API, or what is the difference between REST API and RESTful API? What is the difference between REST API and RESTful Web Services, or REST? Any combination they may ask you, guys. But ultimately, you should have the knowledge of what exactly they are. What are these four terms you have to understand? So as I already covered in the previous session, okay, when I compared SOAP with REST, I mentioned that SOAP is directly a protocol. I mentioned that SOAP is a protocol. Okay, so by itself is a protocol, but REST is not a protocol. REST is an architecture. Okay, what is REST? REST is not a protocol, guys. SOAP is a protocol I mentioned, but REST is a architecture which uses HTTP protocol. Okay, it's an architecture, guys, which uses HTTP or HTTPS protocol for their APIs and all those stuff. So now you would have known that what is REST? REST is an architecture. Okay, REST is an architectural style, you can say, that developers can use for developing or creating or designing the APIs. REST is an architectural style used by the developers to design, create, or develop APIs. That is what is REST, guys. Okay, what does architectural style means? It contains some rules, conditions, some syntaxes, or whatever process or whatever it is. By following this architectural style, process, rules, regulations, and all, if you are creating the APIs, okay, by following the REST architectural style, if the developers are creating or developing the APIs, okay, so that APIs are called as REST APIs. So you just understand the difference between REST and REST API, guys. REST is an architectural style which can be used for developing the APIs by developers. Okay, it is an architecture style, you have to say. But whatever the APIs which got developed, okay, whatever the APIs which got created or developed by using this REST architectural style are known as REST APIs. Simple. Okay, what are REST APIs? The APIs that are created using developers using this REST architectural style are known as, okay, APIs created using REST are known as REST API. Simple. Okay, REST is an architectural style, contains some rules and regulations, okay, using which developers have to develop the APIs. But whatever the APIs that got developed using this REST architectural style are known as REST APIs. Then what about RESTful API? What is the difference between REST API and RESTful API? There is no difference, guys. It's another terminology, guys, just a terminology. You can you can call the APIs that are created using this REST architecture style as REST API or RESTful API. Both are same. Another name for REST API, guys. It's just a terminology. Some people talk, they just talk in the conversations like REST API. Some people talk in the conversation RESTful API. Both are same, guys. Okay, the APIs that are created using this REST architectural style can be called as REST API or RESTful API. Both are same, but different names. That's it. Okay. Hence, APIs created using REST architectural style are can be called as REST API. Either can be called as REST API or can be called as RESTful APIs. Okay. So it's very simple. Now another term came into picture, that is RESTful Web Services. I am calling. Okay. So REST is an architectural style which uses which protocol? HTTP or HTTPS protocol. That is an internet protocol. Whatever the APIs that communicate over internet, what we call them? Such kind of APIs, we call them as web services. In the previous sessions, I explained, right? In the first part itself, I covered what is the difference between API and web services. If the APIs are, okay, communicating between two systems over internet, okay, the request and response is having over the internet, that APIs are called as web services. Not all web services communicate over internet. There are some not all APIs communicate over internet. There are some APIs, okay, which communicate software to software. There is no internet as a transportation means. Such APIs are not web services. I told you already in the first part that all APIs are not web services, but all web services are APIs. So here, coming to the rest, okay, whatever the APIs that are that you are creating as a developer, you are developing using the REST architectural style, they have to use which protocol for communication? HTTP or HTTPS protocol, which is nothing but internet. That means they communicate over the internet means REST is a web service API. Okay, REST API means REST web service only. Okay, this API is a web service type. So that's the reason you can call RESTful API as RESTful web service also. Okay, you can either call it as API or web service, both are same because these APIs are communicating over internet. So we can call these APIs as web services. Okay, so another name for REST API and RESTful API, another name for REST API and RESTful API is RESTful web service, guys. Okay, you see there are many names, right? REST API is also known as RESTful API. Now RESTful API is also known as RESTful web service because this API communicates over the internet. That's the only thing, guys. Okay, just different names for the same thing, guys. But REST is an architectural style which can be used by developers for developing the APIs. Whatever the APIs that are created using this REST architectural style or can be called as REST API or can be called as RESTful API or can be called as RESTful web services. Okay, fine. Okay, so hope guys you got the difference between RESTful API. The last three terms are same. REST API, RESTful API, RESTful web service. Three terms are same. REST is an architectural style. Remaining all are the APIs that are created using the REST architectural style. So hope guys you understood what is the difference between REST API, RESTful API, and RESTful web services in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another API testing concept for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.